So you got your non-O visa approved. Retirement, marriage, parents of a Thai child, congratulations! But here's what catches almost everyone off guard. That initial visa, it's only good for 90 days. The actual 1-year stay, that's a second step that happens inside Thailand. But if you get the timing of the money or other documents wrong, you might miss that window entirely. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how the process from a 90-day visa to 1-year extension works, step by step. Hi, I'm Priscilla, one of the co-founders of Issa Compass. We help foreigners with Thai visas, immigration, and legal documentation so that you can stay here legally and smoothly. Today, we're going to go through the extension that nobody explains, how to turn that 90-day stay into a 1-year visa. Every non-O visa starts the same way, with a 90-day visa. That 90 days is your runway to get set up in Thailand and prove that you meet the financial requirements. Then, before it runs out, you have to go to your local immigration office to extend it to a 1-year visa. There's 2 ways of getting the 90-day visa, and which path you're on depends on where your money is. If your savings are in an overseas bank account, then you apply for the 90-day non-O while you are outside of Thailand. Once it's approved, you enter Thailand within that 90-day window. Miss that 90-day window and your visa expires. Then you come to Thailand, open a Thai bank account, put your savings into a Thai bank account, and wait for it to be sitting in your account for 2 months, and then you go to your local immigration office to extend it to the 1-year visa. If your funds are already in a Thai bank account, then you can actually convert to the non-O from here inside Thailand. You can do this if you're here in Thailand as a tourist or on another visa such as a non-B work visa. Your 90-day visa stamp is ready roughly 2 weeks later, and then between day 45 and day 90, you extend it to the 1-year visa. One important thing to note though is that to convert inside Thailand, your stay permit must have at least 21 days remaining. Cut it too close and you'll lose this opportunity. Regardless of which route you chose for the 90-day visa, the extension to the 1-year visa is exactly the same. On the day that you go for your extension, immigration will review your documents on the spot. And if it's approved, you'll pay the extension fee and get your visa stamp on the same day. The most important requirement is that your funds are already in a Thai bank account and have been seasoned for 2 months. This is the part that people often underestimate. Just to remind you, there are 3 timing rules where many people slip up. Number 1, you can apply for the extension up to 45 days before the end of your 90-day stay. So plan early and don't cut it too close. Number 2, the funds must be maintained in your Thai bank account for at least 2 months before your extension. So transfer in the money as soon as possible. And number 3, if you're converting inside Thailand, your stay permit must have at least 21 days remaining. Otherwise, you'll lose the option of converting inside Thailand. A few documents often trip people up, and the exact numbers depend on which non-O visa that you're on. Your passport doesn't need a full year of validity remaining, but whatever time remains is the cap on your extension. Immigration won't stamp you past the passport's expiry date, so less time left means a shorter visa. Your Thai bank statements and bank certification letter must be issued on the same day that you apply for your visa extension. And the amount of savings you need depends on the type of non-O visa that you're on. If you're on the retirement visa, you need 800,000 baht. If you're on the marriage visa, you need 400,000 baht, waived if you're a Thai man married to a foreigner wife. And if you're the parent of a Thai child, 400,000 baht as well. And regardless of which type of non-O visa, the funds need to be seasoned in your Thai bank account for at least 2 months. On a work permit, instead of savings for the marriage or parent of a Thai child, well, swap the bank documents for your work permit, PND 91, and last 3 months of PND 1. You'll also need credit advice showing that the money was transferred in from overseas. On top of that, bring the relationship proof for your specific type of non-O visa. For marriage, you'll need marriage certificates, Thai spouse's ID, household registration, and single status certificates. For parents of a Thai child, you'll need the child's birth certificates and household registration. And for retirement, there's no relationship documents needed. Plus, your TM30, which is the proof of address filed by your landlord, a location map of your home, and a set of photos of you inside the property. such as with the unit number and showing the building name. And for marriage and parent visas, you'll need your spouse or your child in the photos as well. None of this is too hard, but the timing and the same-day paperwork have to line up perfectly or you're back to square one. And that's exactly what Issa Compass handles. We pre-check every document, time the application window, and make sure your 2-month balance and all of your stamps all line up. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and follow for more practical guides on living in Thailand legally. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.